Geek Easy, fellow geeks. Let's open a beverage of your choice. Because today, boom, I was over at a friend's house watching the season finale of, I don't know if it's season or series finale of The Penguin. And I got a call from the Amazon driver. They have your package. They said leave it outside the house. I wasn't expecting it today. It was supposed to be here Saturday. Didn't show up. And then it was listed as being processed earlier today. As late as 6 p.m. But anyway, so boom. Late Night with the Devil. Let's get the plastic off. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Late Night with the Devil here is, I don't know why I didn't get I didn't think they had a 4K, but I guess they did. But this is fine. Okay, so it says, sorry about this, it says, Johnny Carson, rival Jack Delroy, David Dastmalchian, hosts a syndicated talk show, Night Owls, that has long been a trusted companion to insomniacs around the country. However, ratings for the show have plummeted since the tragic death of Jack's beloved wife. Desperate for his fortunes to turn around, on October 31st, 1977, Jack performs a Halloween special like no other, unaware he is about to unearth into the living rooms of America. Commentary with David Dastmalchian, Q&A with directors, Colin and Cameron Clares, and behind the scenes of Late Night with the Devil. Okay. You have a little card here. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. And it comes with a little thing that's autographed from Jack Delroy. Shudder on AMC Plus, which is how I get Shudder. And then, boom, you even have, it's basically the same artwork as on there. So that's it. That's the whole thing. Not much to show, but great movie. I bought it way before Halloween. I sort of wanted to get it before Halloween so I could watch it, but guess not. Get it on Veterans Day. Oh, and by the way, happy Veterans Day for my fellow vets. And let me know if you watched it, what you thought of it. And like, subscribe, most of all, enjoy your horror movies.